Hello there, welcome back to the channel. If you found a problem that your Instagram has music no result, if you want to create a story, you cannot access a song you want to create, then what you have to do is um, if first looking for your music that you couldn't find it here. If you can browse from here, but if you didn't find it from here, then what you have to do, uh, go back to your profile. Now after the going to your profile, then tap on the three dot icon from your top right. Now here you have to go look for account status from here, and if it is a business account, then you have to do to move on personal account. Right now I'm in personal, my account is personal, so I can browse any music. So what you have to do is just move to business account, from business account to personal account, and that's how you can fix Instagram music no result found issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.